Hey Monica, Spencer from Mercedes in Scarborough. Wanted to put together a quick video tour of the 2022 C300 we looked at yesterday. Selenite gray metallic, love that color. Beautiful metallic paint up front. We've got a nice grille, nice front end, LED headlights. Really sporty, really sleek. Love that AMG grille, love the style there. Chrome in the front bumper. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Along the side here we have multi-spoke Mercedes-Benz wheels. Really slick, really sporty looking. Love that wheel on that car. Coming along the car here, we've got chrome along our window frames. Turn indicators sneaked nicely into the door mirrors. We've got blind spot in our door mirrors as well. Along the back, nice body lines. LED tail lights, C300, 4MATIC badging, beautiful, beautiful car. Moving to the interior, we've got two displays here. I'll zoom out a little bit so it's a little bit easier. So we've got two displays, instrument cluster, center console, beige interior, panoramic sunroof. Wanted to put together just a quick video tour of the C-Class. If you have any questions, let me know. 207-210-4796 is my cell phone number. Here's another look at the car. It's absolutely gorgeous. Looks fabulous right there. Look at that. Love this car. Selenite gray metallic. Monica, want to put together a quick video tour. Hope you enjoyed.